Good afternoon. This is my major project one, Book Lovers Shop. This is my Book Lovers app which I have created. This is my landing page and this is featured categories. If I click any of category, then it moves with that category in this book list page, young adult. It is selected here. If I click on any of them, it shows rating according to the rating it shows book. And if I click sort books by price, then it shows according to the low to high. Then if I click price high to low, then it shows how to low. If I click and this, if I move this price ladder, then it shows books according to the price. If I clear this filter, then it shows clear this filter with all books. If I click here add to cart, then it shows book added to cart. If I click here add to wish list, then it shows book added to wish list, and it this count of wish list and count of cart is also increased. If I click any of this book, so it moves to the detail page. So this is detail page for this book, and if I click from here add to wish list, then it shows book added to wish list. If I click add to cart, then it is added to cart. If I search any book from here, then it shows that book. If I go to wishlist page, then this is wishlist page. Here are here are my wishlist books. This is my card page. From wishlist page, if I click move to cart, then it moves to cart. If I click remove from wishlist, then it removes from wishlist. And from the cart page, if I click move to wishlist, then it moves to wishlist. If I click remove from cart, then it is removed. If I click this book is already in my cart. If I click from this wish list move to cart, then it increases the book number from here to, and according to the this book 1 2 3 4 5, it shows the price with the 5 items, and it calculates that. If I click this profile page, then it shows the user name, email, phone number, and this is address form. If user add, and if user fills this form, then this form is added here, this address is added here. If I click add it to this, then it points the cursor here in the address form. If I save this address, then it shows updated address. If I want to delete this address, then it is deleted. If I select any of address, it will visible on this checkout page. I have selected John Doe from profile page, then it's showing this address, circular address. From here I can go and manage the address. I can select this, then it will show same address. This is order summary, and this is the order items, and here is my code. Here is my app.jsx file where I have routes and components I have imported here and I am using inside the routes, and I have used this toast container for alert alert function messages, and this is my category. This is my category page, which is landing page. This is my background image, and this is the categories feature which I showed from here. Background image. Then these are the categories which I'm showing from this from this data API, and this is how it's showing. For all the books, I have given it a router with the link to books. Then it shows this books. This one. If I click all books, then it moves with the all book in this book list page. This is my book list. Uh, Here is my book list page. I have used this all data or loading error books state set books state. Then book cart handler add to wish list for buttons and cart and list for showing buttons. Button change button change to add to cart to go to cart. From here I am filter books from all data, filtering by category. I'm taking category from use params, then it is filtering, and on this I'm setting this filter data in set books. Then I'm mapping over this book, and this is how it's showing here. And for the buttons I've used list and cart for add to cart, and for add to wish list. So this is link, and here is go to wish list label inside this link, and this is button add to wish list this label. So according to this condition, inside list dot find, in list I've used find method, by which is it finding if book is list ID. List ID is equal to book ID. Then it shows this link. If else it shows this uh, add to wish list. In the same way for cart. Yeah. And this is my wishlist page. Here, so from here I'm rendering this wishlist books. In my book context, I have used the function for book list, handle move cart, wishlist remove handle. In my book context, I have used this. I have made this function. This is how it is rendering on the book list, wish list page. In the same way, I have created cart page. This is my cart page, and in the book context, I have this function for handle move wish list and cart move remove handler. I have this increment or decrement function in the context from where I am managing this price detail, this quantity state. I've used this quantity component here, and here is function. I have passed ID with this function, and I'm calculating value here. I'm calculating these values here. Card price, card discount, and all. I am using those calculated values here in this price detail container. This is my profile page, which is here. I've used the here link to show links to give link or v4 uid4 local storage data for giving them id to local storage data. I'm adding address here, so from the local storage it is giving id to them uuid before and use ref used for pointing element. If I click here edit, then it points to the form with this form field selected with this data of the address, and then this save data from the context. Inside save data, I have setted or stored in the local storage, and I'm using that here. I have used this address selected and set address selected to make this to work with this radio buttons which is here. So if I select any of address of person, then it shows in this checkout page. Here is my function for handle input on change and form submit handler. This is my static data which is showing here in the in this profile page, and here I've used those functions. This is my function input fields, form input fields. This link is for checkout page. By clicking on this button, it moves to checkout page. And this radio button is for here. This radio button is for from here. I have used the set address user ID. If user click any of address, then it shows on the check list and handle select user. This is my checkout page here. Here I have taken to state for showing selected data from the user. I have imported save without card price, parse price. I'm using parse price for converting number to a number. If I have a special character with the number, then it removes and shows count number. It converts to that. Here is my this selected address and set selected address user state, and I have used use effect for getting that local from the local storage. I am getting an item, then I'm rendering from here the selected address dot name, selected address phone number, and all. This is my order summary in the checklist, which is showing this calculation here. Here is calculation for this order summary. I have total items, subtotals, and all. This is total order items here, which is showing rendering from here. If I click from here, manage to add manage address, then it moves with this page and shows this address form. If I click here place order, then it shows that order placed successfully. That's it. Thank you.